So if you've been researching virtual assistants for a while, you might start to wonder, how much can I actually make as a VA? Honestly, my answer is probably going to surprise you inside of this video. See, my name is Abbey Ashley and I've trained over 7,000 individuals to start their own virtual assistant business. That means I've seen what beginners make, I've seen what specialists make, and I've seen what those who end up growing an agency and building a team below them make. And so the reality is that you can make a couple $100s a month by becoming a virtual assistant, or you can build this into a 6 or 7-figure business. And my students have done all of the above. So the real question we should be asking is, what are my individual goals? What do I want to achieve in my business? So in this video, I'm going to break down my VA income ladder method so you can see what your individual goals are and you can pinpoint which rung on the ladder you want to actually achieve. Because honestly, the whole point of doing this is to start a freedom life. And so your freedom life may look different than somebody else's. So we're gonna break it all down in this video. Now, if you're new to my channel, you may not know me yet. I was able to replace my own income with virtual assistants, and I've gone on to train over 7,000 individuals to do the same thing. In this video, we break down strategies for marketing, what type of skills you can offer, and how you can start building your own freedom life from scratch. Now, if you don't know how to get started as a virtual assistant, I did create a free checklist and starter kit for you. You can download that by clicking the link below, or just comment checklist below, and my team and I will send you the link to that checklist. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna break down the VA income ladder. There are 3 tiers to this ladder, and you get to decide which one you want to pursue. And crazy enough, most people have only heard of the first one. So tier number 1 is the foundation. Now, this is where most of my students begin. When you are just getting started as a virtual assistant, one of the things that I recommend is actually starting with hourly work, especially if you're a newbie, if you're a little nervous about what skills you can offer. Small business owners are willing to pay VAs for basic administrative skills. They need to get out of the weeds of their business. And so they will pay you $25, $30, $35, even up to $40 an hour simply for taking these things off of their plate. So some of those services might include email management, inbox organization, responding to customer service emails, basic live chat support, managing voicemails, calendar management, scheduling appointments, booking travel, data entry, research, formatting documents or creating spreadsheets, organizing files like Google Drive or Dropbox, creating and updating SOPs or standard operating procedures, scheduling social media posts, repurposing content, monitoring comments and DMs, scheduling pins to their Pinterest account, order processing, tracking shipments, customer support, writing blogs or newsletters, moderating online communities like Facebook or LinkedIn groups, invoice creation, expense tracking, and AI management. Now, the beauty of this is that you don't need to know all of these skills. In fact, you can choose 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, however many you want, as few or as many, and you can say, hey, these are the skills that I offer as a virtual assistant. I generally say create 3 simple packages. For instance, you may sell a package of 20 hours a month. That'd be 5 hours a week for the business owner. And since your rate is $30 an hour, that'd be $600 a month in recurring income for you, for just one person saying yes. This is one of the things I love about virtual assistants, is that one yes can equal literally hundreds of dollars in your bank account every single month. Now, the cool thing about this tier of virtual assistants is maybe this is all you and your family need or want. Maybe you'd love to make an extra $600 to $1,200 a month and work 5 to 10 hours a week. That may sound like the perfect scenario for you. And if that's true, that's awesome. You can totally stay at this level. I love hearing the success stories of VAs who come in and are able to replace their income or take more vacations or pay off debt, just like Olivia's story. Check it out. Olivia said, I just want to celebrate. I've officially closed my first year in business and doubled my original income goal. I brought in over double my salary I was making at my full-time job. I took 4 vacations this last year. That's right, 4. It's been an amazing first year in business, and I couldn't have done it without the Savvy system and all the support in this group. Now, Olivia is a member of our Savvy system. That is our 90-day accelerator program For those who want the fast track in building their business, if that's something you're interested in, you can go to savvysystem.com or just comment Savvy System in the link below and we'll send you the details. Now let's talk a little bit about that second tier, and this is the specialist tier. Now, once my VAs come in and they start working with clients, they start to realize, maybe I don't love hourly work. Maybe I don't love general admin, or maybe there's something that they do end up loving. They get into video editing or podcast management or Pinterest management, or they realize, oh man, I actually have a bookkeeping skill and maybe I want to flourish in that. There are so many ways to niche down and become a specialist. This is how you can easily raise those rates from $30 to $40 an hour to $60, $70, $100 plus per hour. And this is normally done by offering a higher tiered package of some sort. This was my story, actually. I started off with general admin work, was charging about $30, $35 an hour per client. And then I discovered my love of copywriting. Now, I never would have actually known that I loved copywriting until I got in and started working with clients, and a client actually asked me to write blog posts for them. I thought, oh, I actually enjoy doing this. So that was my specialist jump. That was my level up, was charging about $60 to $75 an hour, being a copywriter for course creators specifically. You can be working the same hours, but just position yourself differently and raise your rates. Now, before we move on to the third tier, I want you to notice something here. Do you notice how each tier really builds upon itself? Now, you can definitely jump in and specialize from day one. And if you have a lot of experience in a certain industry, or if you've been building websites for 20 years, then please go ahead and niche down from day one. But I found that a lot of people really prefer just to do that hourly work in the beginning. They get a grasp of what clients want, they get a grasp of how long tasks take them, and then it's a lot easier to create higher end packages that maybe aren't hourly based once they've got a feel for that client work. You start with foundation skills to get your first client. You specialize to multiply your rate, and then you move to retainers to build income that doesn't reset every month. This isn't just luck, it is a system, and it's a system that is incredibly scalable. Let's talk about that in tier 3. Tier 3 is what I like to call the agency model. There becomes a point where you can't physically work any more hours. Now, this happened pretty quickly for me. I sold out my VA services and I realized more people wanted to work with me. What was I supposed to do? Now, I could have just kept raising my rate over and over and over again, and some people choose to do that. But for me, I loved the idea of having a team. I loved the idea of being able to be at the park or at a field trip with my kids and know that I was still making money because work was being done without me. That concept really excited me. So I started to build an agency. So how that would work is that clients would hand work off to me, I would hand it off to my subcontractors, they'd give it back to me to look over, and then I'd hand it on to my clients. I became a project manager of sorts. Now, that's not the only way to build an agency. I have a lot of students who will actually connect their VA directly to the client, and they correspond with each other, and they're doing regular check-ins with the VA and with the client to make sure they're both happy. So there's different ways to go about doing this, but the concept is the same. You charge a rate, you pay a subcontractor somewhere around 30% to do the work, and then you're managing the in-between. Now, this is really the fuel to the flame, and I'll be honest, my students who are making 6 and even 7 figures in their business, this is the path they're taking. Like Sadie, who says, I took Abby's program in August, quit my full-time job in November, and now I run a virtual assistant agency that supports female entrepreneurs, creatives, and coaches. I got to take a 3-month maternity leave and my business still ran seamlessly. Abby's course does the work. I'm so thankful I found her. These are some of the most encouraging stories to me. A lot of times people think about virtual assistants, they maybe hear about it and how much can a VA make? And yeah, it might not seem like a lot to start off at that $30 an hour range. However, I want you to see what this can grow into. I hope that this video has inspired you to see what this can become. I also want to encourage you that you don't have to build a 6 or 7 figure empire if that's not what you want. I'm all about you creating your freedom life. So honestly, I believe that the virtual assistant salary that you want is exactly that. It's what you want it to be. What would you like to grow this into? And if you set your sights on that, then you can make a plan backwards to actually get there. But it all begins by taking that first step. So if you are interested in taking that first step Again, you can go to thevirtualsavvy.com/checklist, download that free guide. It's a step-by-step system of what you need to do if you are starting totally from scratch. And again, if you want to work with my team in a coaching capacity, a 90-day accelerator where we help you get results fast, then I have a secret offer I want to share with you. I'm actually only releasing this offer inside a few of my YouTube videos. You can go to thevirtualsavvy.com/secret offer just because you stay till the end of the video and get a special discount, actually $100 off the accelerator system. So if you want to join, awesome. If you want to start just with that freebie download, kind of see what this is all about, that's great too. Again, I'm here just to support you. All right, that's all we have time for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know something you learned in the comments below. I can't wait to partner with you in your journey.